Good day and welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. On today's video I will show you how to deep clean the seats. From time to time it's important to clean the seats. Why? Because the cars are not new anymore, they've got their years, and over those years it's possible that people have eaten in the car, drank something, it spilled on the seats, etc. But also during summer we tend to sweat a bit, and with our shorts or stuff like that we touch the fabric, and even though we don't realize it, but we leave dirt actually on the seats. So I will show you how we're gonna clean that. On my case it's a bit different because the car has been in storage for some time with a lot of humidity, and obviously it smells quite bad. So now I will show you how we're gonna clean it, and you'll be surprised of the dirt we're gonna be removing. To clean the seats we can use a brush, water, ammoniac, and then we brush the seats, we try to wipe them, and after let it dry. The problem doing that is that we just gonna be removing what's on the surface, not what's inside the fabric. So I've looked a bit on the internet what is available, and there's different machines, and I've chosen that one. So obviously I'm not here to make any publicity for that brand or that model, but I must say it works very well. So obviously there's other type of machine, you don't have to go for this one, but it works very well. So how does it work? Here you've got a cylinder. Here you place the water and the formula, or if you want more you can place more as well. As you can see the water doesn't drop, that's nice. And on the other side that's an empty container, and that's where we're gonna collect all the dirt, and you'll be very surprised of what we're gonna be removing. So how does it work? It works with this. So here we've got we press this, and then it will spray the solution that we've got inside that will go on the fabric. So I usually let it sit a little bit, then after I brush it, and then here the machine will suck all the liquid. So like that you won't have any dirt left on the seats, and you'll see that's very good. So anyway, I will show you now how it works, and I will try to show you as well when the dirt is lifted from the machine, how it goes here, because here it's transparent, so you will see actually something very, well, it should be dark dirty brown. Okay, you will see lifting up. So let me show you now. So now I will wet it, I will rub it quite a bit, and you will see what dirt will come out. It is so much better now, and it smells so much better too. So there are points that we should not forget. It's obviously the front seat, because that will be the dirtiest, and as well let's not forget the armrest, because we have the arm here, and it's gonna be absolutely dirty. My seats are now clean, and I will show you what I've removed. You won't believe the color. Okay, hope you'll be able to see it, and in case you don't see it, I will empty it and you will see. As you have seen, this remove a lot of dirt, and because it's sucked, it actually remove all the dirt from the fabric, so that's actually very nice product. Of course, you can use it as well on the carpets. Once you're done, just make sure you leave your car open for a day, just to make sure it dries nicely. It should dry very easily anyway because it sucks all the water, so it will just be lightly wet, and that's it. Okay, so I hope that you have liked the video. I hope that's useful to you, and stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next video. Ciao.